As you can see, my sawmill uses scooter wheels with pneumatic tires. The blade tensioning mechanism only needs to be set once. After that, all adjustments are made by simply lowering or increasing the tire pressure. This blade tensioning and replacement system has its own pros and cons. The biggest advantage is that the sawmill contains fewer moving and adjustable parts, making it easier to build, maintain, and repair. As a general rule, the fewer adjustable mechanisms a machine has, the better. After the blade has been used for about 2 hours, it should be replaced so it can rest or sent out for sharpening. It is important to either change the blade or remove it and let it rest for at least 2 hours. After installing another blade, I rotate it by hand a few times to make sure it seats properly on the rubber tires. As the blade is rotated, it naturally settles into its correct position. The main drawback of this system is that you need to have an air compressor available to inflate the wheels when necessary. The initial blade tension adjustment is performed with the wheels fully inflated. I inflate the tires to about 2.5 bars, depending on the amount of pre-tension I have already applied to the blade. Then I rotate the wheels a few times to make sure the blade seats properly on the rubber tires. Since I use motocross tires, which have a relatively stiff rubber compound, a pressure of 2.5 bars is more than sufficient. The most important thing is to adjust the blade tension correctly. A blade with insufficient tension will produce wavy cuts, while an over-tensioned blade may simply break. About how I built my sawmill and detailed explanations of its main components are covered in other videos on my channel. If you're interested, feel free to visit my channel and check them out. Thanks for watching and good luck with your projects.